Good morning friends, this is Claude here in Brisbane. Today's tutorial is how we can take a t-shirt and add text to that t-shirt. So let's get started. When you get to our website, you'll probably land on a page similar to this, and we're going to go right up to the top where the top tabs are, and we're going to click Designer tab. Once you've clicked that, when the page opens, you'll get three options. Option number one is to select an image or a design. Option number two is select text, which we are going to do, and the last option is adding a team name. We won't worry about the first and the third one. We're going to click on add text. Here we are going to just say add text, say happy birthday. Okay, imagine you're creating a birthday t-shirt, and so we're going to add the text to the shirt that by default came up here. Okay, so we're going to first of all, before we change the shirt to suit what you want, we're going to size it. It's too big, it's too small. We're going to move it to where we want, and we can add more text if we want by clicking this button here. Okay, we can change the color as well by clicking here. We can change the font size. We can make it bold, italic. We can put it to the right side, left side, wherever, and you can also get the positions here. For example, if you want to move it down, you want to move it to the bottom corner, you can use a lot of these. You can turn it upside down, and once you've done that, what we do is then go back to the shirts and change the product size. You can click this, you'll get a number of different shirts that you can choose. If you can choose the ladies shirt, you can choose the color, you can change the color, and then you can change for example, now that blue is too dark, you might want to have a lighter color on that. You can click OK, and the lighter color comes up. I'm not going to be very specific here to make this look pretty. This is a tutorial how you could use this for your up and coming events soon. So this is about adding text to your t-shirts, and how to change the product. You also learned you can also add the number of quantities you want here, and you can change the size as well, and then move to the next stage. So the next stage is you evaluate everything that you need, and then you can click the buy button. One more thing before I go, you can also click these different tabs here, so you can position your text. You can say add text and say hello. I'm just using an example here, and this hello will come on the sleeve. Okay, and once you've done that, you can size it again, bring it in the middle, and that's it. Okay, so you got a happy birthday in front, you got a hello on the sleeve. There you see that. You can do that on the other sleeve as well. You can do something on the back, totally up to you. Okay, good luck, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.